Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother printer HL-L5000D. So open any browsers, type Google search box to like that, and then first link support.brother.com's official website. So guys, download only official website from the driver. Okay, so click on it, then select the Windows. You can see Mac and Linux also there. The Windows and Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, 32-bit 64-bit also there, and installations process same, server also there. So select operating system, then click to OK. Then this is a full setup, and this is a printer driver. Full setup means software also. This is printer, only printer driver. Click on it, scroll down, click to download. Now you can see it is start downloading. So it is open this. So you can see this is your extract folder to same locations. So this is your driver. Okay, then close it. Now installation, now it is start printer installations process. Click to start, then click setting, then click to printer and device, and then printer and scanner, then click to add device. After add device it will show the manual option, you can see. So click on it, then select the last, next, next, then click have disk, then click browse, then go to this locations where it is extracted, this one, click on it, then select inf file, this is, and then click to open, then click to OK. Now find out the 5000 HL H 5000D, select this, then next, next. Now this is installing, next, and then finished. Now you can see it is complete installed. So after the installation need to restart your printer and your system, and then please check. Thank you.